Welcome back to the channel, where creativity becomes possibility. Today, we're not only creating an abstract painting, we're exploring how abstract art can become a powerful creativity business. Whether you are an artist, a beginner painter, or someone searching for a fresh business idea, this video will inspire you to think differently about art, passion, and opportunity. Blank canvas, endless possibilities. Tonight, we're not just painting abstract art. We're transforming creativity into inspiration, emotion, and opportunity. Every brush stroke on this canvas represents freedom, courage, and self-expression. Abstract art is powerful because there are no rules, no limits, and no perfect answers. It's about trusting your instincts and allowing emotions to guide the process. As these colors blend together, deep black, soft white, bold navy, and metallic gold, the painting begins to tell a story without orders. This is more than art for decoration. This is energy, atmosphere, and modern creativity. In today's world, abstract art has become a powerful creativity business. People are searching for unique artworks that inspire emotion in homes, offices, cafes, hotels, and luxury spaces. One painting can become prints, content, commissions, online classes, or even an entire personal brand. That's the beauty of creativity. It can grow into freedom and opportunity. Many successful artists started with nothing more than passion, constancy, and the courage to begin. The secret is not perfection. The secret is continuing to create even when you doubt yourself. Every masterpiece begins with uncertainty, and every successful creative journey begins with one idea. As I layer texture and movement onto this canvas, I am reminded that art reflects life itself, imperfect, emotional, bold, and constantly evolving. Your creativity matters, your vision matters, and your artistic voice deserves to be seen. So keep experimenting, keep expressing yourself, and never stop creating, because your imagination has the power to inspire the world. Thank you for spending time with me in the channel today. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Tell me, what emotions do you see in this painting? And what kind of creative business would you love to build? Keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next video.